Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the art of painting from life. Whether painting outdoors or indoors, painting from life is an incredible way to enhance your skill and capture the world around you. Painting from life means creating art directly from the real subject. This can include landscape, portrait, or still life. It's about observation and interpretation, capturing the essence of what you see in your unique style. Let's look at what are the benefits of painting from life. Sorry to cut the flow of your video, but this is an announcement post that I run realistic oil painting classes online. So if you wish to learn how to paint high realism without paying too much, then you can contact me on Instagram. So let's continue with the video. So why paint from life? First, it hones your observation skills. You learn to see colors, shapes, and light in a way that photos can't capture. Second, it challenges you to work quickly and adapt to changing conditions, which is especially useful when working outside. Lastly, it can be a meditative, immersive experience that connects you more deeply with your surroundings. To do a painting from life, one needs to start with a sketch. So you need to have a general idea about the shapes and then work from general to specific. So block in your main shapes and colors before focusing on detail. Your drawing should take care of the lighting. Initially, you must indicate your lighting so that when the situation changes, you must follow your drawing. Whereas, if something great comes up and the whole light changes, and this is about plein air painting, so be flexible to change that if something better happens. Now, for studio painting, you need to take breaks, and there are some important things such as cleaning up your palette. Sometimes you don't notice and you're getting a milky mush. So, it's better that you take frequent breaks so that you get a clear idea about what you're doing and not stepping away from it. Painting or sketching from life enables you to see the important aspects of chosen subject using your brain and eyes as editing tools. You can keep or delete many things depending upon your composition easily. This becomes very difficult when painting from digital photos because the lens gives equal importance to everything captured. Also, painting from life makes you an agile and alert artist capable of painting any subject easily. It becomes easy to interpret the subjects in many different ways and develops your creative sensibilities. Remember that the primary job of an artist is to make the ordinary appear extraordinary, creating stories or mood that are not even there. Otherwise, a photograph is capable of recording anything. So, painting from life, whether portrait, landscape, or still life, they train your mind to capture the possibilities of creating something extraordinary. So I urge you to sketch or paint from life directly from the subject so that you enhance your skills. So if you like this video, then please click the like button and also subscribe, and remember to click the bell icon so that you get notified when a new video has been uploaded. If you have any queries, then you can ask me in the comment section below. If you wish to purchase my artworks or simply see my artworks or inquire about the online painting class, then go to my website www.kaustubmukherjeefineart.com. I thank you for your time. Take care.